What's up, everybody? I'm Terriell, and welcome back to day 22 of your 30-day Pilates journey. Today, we're going to be talking about trust. That is the theme of our 10 minutes together, trusting what your body can do. We've learned a lot of exercises and practiced them multiple times by now. Trusting that you're strong enough to hold that 100 position or that plank for a few more seconds without dying. And just trusting that you can get through the rest of this journey because you've made it so far already. All right, so with all that said, let's get started. We are going to start with the 100. So I'm gonna have you lie down on your back, pull your knees into the chest. Get comfortable here. It's always nice to kind of have this starting exercise as your ritual. Then go ahead and lift your head, neck, and shoulders up. And from there, we'll take everything out to your 100 shape. Let's begin to pump the arms vigorously up and down. And exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In with the air. And out with the air. That's 3 breaths in. We got 7 more. Trust that you can make it. Exhale. In with the air. 3, 4, 5. Out with the air. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 5 more breaths here. 4 more breaths. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 more breaths. Home stretch. Exhale. 2 more breaths in. Out with the air, working that scoop. 1 more breath. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees in, head down. From there, let's rock and roll up to sit, lengthening the legs out long. We'll take the arms in front and go ahead and just dive over, taking a stretch for your back, dropping your head down, pulling your waist in, and then start from here to roll backward for your roll-ups. So as you roll back, keep your head down low, as if you're going underneath a bar above your head. You don't want to smack the back of your head on it. And we'll try to keep that imaginary bar there as we continue. Rolling up through the spine, pulling into your powerhouse to reach forward, and then rolling back down, staying low. 3 more times to roll up. Scooping in, reach it forward, send it down. 2 more, roll it up. Scoop in, send it forward, roll it down. 1 more time, rolling up, reaching over. Yes, and then rolling all the way down with control. Now, rollovers are next. If overhead exercises aren't good for you, please continue to do roll-ups for this one. We'll only do 3. So 3 more roll-ups if you're not taking your legs and hips overhead. We'll take the legs out to 45 degrees to begin. And then roll up and over with those hips. Separate your feet the width of the mat. And then start to roll down, bone by bone, inch by inch until your hips hit the bottom. And we'll take the legs out to 45, zip them tight. Strength, not momentum, to take those hips up and over. Flex and separate. And then roll it down. 1 more time. Heels glued tight. And then take it up and over. Flex the toes open. And then roll down with control. Good. From there, let's pull the knees into the chest. Rock and roll up to sit. Grab onto ankles. Let's roll like a ball 5 times all the way back. And trust that you'll make it up to balance. 4 more. Last 3. Rocking back, massaging out that spine. 2 more times. Make your ball smaller for this last one. Find balance. The entire ab series is next. What? Let's roll down with control to the back. Pull the right knee into the chest. Keep your head lifted, left leg long. Let's go for it. 1, 2, switch. Pull, pull, switch. Pull, pull, switch. Let's go 3 more. 2 more. Last one on the right, and then the left. 2 knees pull in. Head down, 1 breath in. Exhale, head lifts. Now reach your legs out, your arms back. Circle around, hug. Inhale, reach. Exhale, hug. 2 more times. 1 more here. Scissors, 1 leg up, 1 leg out. We'll pull in, 1, 2. Switch, 1, 2. Switch, switch, switch. 2 more each leg. And last one. 1 little rest in between, knees and head down, 1 breath in. Hands behind your head, palm over palm. Exhale, curl. Send your legs straight up to the sky. Now we'll lower the legs down. Scoop to lift. Lower 3. Lift it 2. Lower 2. Lift for 2. Lower 1. Lift for 1. Bend your knees in, head down, breathe in. Curl up, and now twist to your right for crisscross. Twisting 1, holding 2, holding 3. You can make it to the other side, and twist. 3, 2, 1. Switch it 1 more time. Twist, lifting that bottom armpit off the mat. Switch, 1 more. 3, a little bit higher. 2, a little bit more. 1, bend knees in. Rest your head down. Come up to sit. And now we'll take the legs wide. For 1, spine stretch forward, flex toes, arms reach out. Lift tall, make it count. Drop the head down, rounding over, scooping your belly in. Go a little bit further. Now roll up carefully, bone by bone, inch by inch. Good, get there at the top. Let's open the arms to a T. And now we'll twist to the right for saw. Dive over towards that opposite pinky toe. Keeping your back arm lifted, try to make this the tallest point of the shape. And go ahead and roll it up. Untwist, other side. Big twist left. Dive it over. Scoop into your powerhouse to roll up. Untwist. 1 more to the right. Big twist. Roll it all the way up. Untwist, and then to the left. Diving over. Ooh, send it all the way up. Untwist, relax your arms. Let's extend the spine a little bit for a little swan. So we have dive catches or the full swan dive. So squeeze your legs tight together. I'm going to dive chest catch today. Press into your hands to take a lift off. And then dive forward and catch yourself back in this position. Here we go. 1. We have 6. 2. Trust that you can get there. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then sit back onto your heels and rest. Good. All right. From here, let's flip around. Lengthen out your legs and squeeze your big toes together. Now we'll take the hands behind the head, palm over palm. Just sit as tall as you can. And now keep those heels glued tight and your big toes touching. We don't want them to swish from side to side as you twist to the right. And then twist a little bit deeper, growing taller. Find center. Twist to the left. Lift taller, twist deeper, and find center. Twist to the right again. Lift and twist a little bit more. Yes, and center. And then lift even taller. Twist left. Lift a little bit more and deeper, and then relax. Now onto your stomach for a plank pose. We'll hold it here, long arms. You can always drop down to a forearm plank or drop your knees, depending on your wrists and your own situation. Go for this plank and just find a really sturdy, stable position through your body and breathe. Squeezing your seat. 3, long back of neck. 2, 1, send your hips up and back to drop your heels down. Now keep your shoulders plugged down to your back, your abs in tight. Enjoy the stretch for a moment, and then we'll ripple out. Try to articulate through your spine to find that plank. Long through the back. Hold there. 3, 2, 1. Send the hips up and back. Now for a little leg pull. We'll ripple all the way out to your plank, holding the position. Lift your right leg off the mat. Pulse forward and back, 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. 2 feet on the mat, hips lift. For the other side, ripple out into your plank. Lift your left leg. Pulse forward and back, 5. Forward and back, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 feet on the mat, hips up and back. Ooh. All right, from there, drop your knees down, spin yourself around. We'll end with a little seal because it's fun. Why not? Make your pretzel shape, hands through the top of the legs and around your ankles. Tip backward, draw your chin down, find your balance. Clap the legs 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 at the top here. 1, 2, 3. Now keep rocking and rolling as you're clapping. 1, 2, 3. Make this like a waltz. So 3, 2, 1, and back. 3, 2, 1, and up. Ooh, 3, 2, 1, back. 3, 2, 1, up. 2 more. And a 3, 2, 1. One more time. And a 3, 2, 1. Find balance. And then let your feet drop down. And you are all set for day 22. I will see you on the mat tomorrow for day 23. Bye for now.